Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the can't send messages issue or problem in a channel inside your Discord server. So let us guide you through this. In the first step, launch Discord, for example on your desktop computer or through the desktop application, and after that navigate to your server, and also guys to the channel you would like to fix the problem for, be it a text channel or a voice channel. So let's assume a server member of yours can't send any messages in this channel here, and he or she has notified you of that. So now you want to fix this. This is how you can fix this. Click into that gear icon next to the given channel name, which in this case here is this one. Add a channel. After that, head over to the permissions of your channel settings, and here under advanced permissions, expand it if necessary. Scroll down and make sure that you select everyone as the role so that these permissions apply to everyone within your server. So also members, not only admins. And after that, scroll down till you get to the text channel permissions and make sure that you enable or give the permission to your members to send messages by clicking into that checkmark button here to the right. Confirm that by clicking into Save Changes. And that is going to enable the message sending feature to your channel members or your server members, but only to or in the given channel, guys. So you will need to apply these permissions and set them up for each of your channels separately by clicking into the gear icon next to the given channel. Save these permissions and that should fix the issue, guys. Please let us know in the comment down below if that has fixed the issue for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.